Hey guys, let's do this quick little aluminum repair. As you can see right here, this tube weld is broke all the way through. And this little corner gusset broke off as well. So here on this other side, that's obviously how it's supposed to look. So let's get the grinder, clean this thing up. Sweep our workbench off. And then we've got this tube right here kind of cleaned up as best we can, and this one as well. Let's grab that square. Get this thing squared up and try and throw a tack on it. This is our aluminum machine right here, this Synchrowave 250. It's been a great machine. Make sure we're measuring out good and squared up. Alright, let's throw a tack on there. Clean those tacks up with some Scotch-Brite. And let's weld it out. We got that gusset back in there as well. We're all welded out. Got it back assembled, and we're good to go.